morning, my dear students. Welcome to St. Joseph's Academy's online classes. Today, we will start a new topic from your book, English Grammar, Class 1. And our today's topic is Chapter 21, Tenses. So, I, your English teacher Parul Tomar, will explain you the tenses. First, what is tense? Why do we use them? What are the tenses which we need to learn? So, the tense of verb shows the time of an action or event. Means when any action has happened, whether it happened today or tomorrow or it has already happened yesterday. So, to understand the tenses, there are three types of tense: present, past and future. We will understand it with the help of a table. This is tense. Now this tense have three parts. The first is past tense. The second is present tense. And the third tense is future tense. Now, how do we recognize which one is present tense, which one is past tense and which one is future tense? Well, let me tell you. Present first is past tense. Past, as we can understand from the name itself, past which is something already happened. Like you were in UKG, now you are in first standard. You were, आप थे, है नहीं. Right now you are in first standard, but you were in UKG. In the same way, last year was 2021. Now it is 2022. So past is which is already happened. Like you was a small baby. आप थे. Now you have grown up. So something which has already happened or which happened in the past comes in past tense. Second is present tense. Present tense means something which is today, right now, right here. For example, right now I am teaching you. This is present. You are studying in first standard. This is your present. You are studying in St. Joseph's Academy. Again, that is your present. Third is future tense. What is future tense? As you can understand with the name itself, future which is going to happen. Something which you are planning to do. You are thinking of doing in future, which is not happening currently, but you will do. For example, you will come in second standard next year. You all are planning that now, that after doing first you will go into second. So future is something we are planning to do. For example, I will go to market tomorrow. कल मैं market जाऊंगा. So I am planning to do that. I have not done it yet. So something which has already been done, that is past. Something we are doing right now, that is present. And something we are planning to do, that is future. Now, how do we recognize these? We recognize tenses with the help of the verb, because we use verb always according to the tense. For example, I'll write a sentence. He sings a song. Here, sing is the verb and this is written in the first form of the verb. So, we always use first form of the verb and s in present tense. He sings a song. वह एक गाना. Same sentence we can use in the past also with a slight change. For For example, he sang a song. The whole sentence is same. What has changed here? Sang. In the first sentence we have written sing. Now we have written sang. Now same sentence we can use for the future also. But we will write he will sing a song. Here, what change do you see? See, sings, sang, will sing. Here we have added helping verb will with the verb sing. In future tense, we have used will. So we use our helping verbs according to the tenses. In present, helping verbs are different. In present, past, it is different, and in future, it is different. The sentence is same, but the meaning has changed. The time has changed. The tense has changed. He sings a song. वह एक गाना गाता है. He sang a song. उसने एक गाना गाया. He will sing a song. वो एक गाना गाएगा. So, with the help of the same sentence, we have understood all three tenses. Now, we will try to know some of the verbs we normally use in all these three tenses. Well, for that, we need to learn the first form, second form and third form of the verbs. Because in past tense, we always use second form of the verb, or past tense we use was, were and did. In present tense we use do, does, is, are and am. And in future tense we use will and shall. So wherever you find these verbs in the tense, it means it belongs to that particular tense. If will, shall is there, it's a future tense. If do, does, is, are, am is there, it is present tense. If was, were or did has been used, it is a past tense. And second form also we use in the past tense. I will give you some examples for that. Play, go, sleep, come. These are the common words we normally use and we see. Now all these are the first form of the verb. What are these? Verbs are found in three forms. First form, second form and third form. In past tense we use second form. Not always. But if did, was, were is not written, then we can write the second form of the verb like we have done in sentence number 2. Sing we have changed into sang. So all these verbs, if I have to write in past tense, what will I do? Play will become played. Go will become went. Sleep will become slept. And come will become came. All first form will change into second form. This is how tenses are formed and change also. All these forms are written on page number 98 in your book. You can see these are the past forms and these are the future forms. In future, we have used shall, will and first form of the verb. Now, an exercise is given at the end of the chapter. Now, I am going to write that for you. Write whether the underlined verbs are in present, past or future. Write whether the underlined verb are verbs are in present, past or future tense. Now we will write some of the exercises which is given in your book. What we have to do here? Some sentences are written. We have to tell whether this sentence is written in present tense, past tense or future tense. Number 1. Sarita goes to office in the morning. Number 2. They will play badminton. They will play badminton. They will play badminton on Sunday. Number 3. I played golf yesterday. I played golf yesterday. Here, verbs are already underlined. Some verbs like goes, played and will play. These are underlined. Why? Because these are the verbs which decides the tense. Now, Sarita goes to office in the morning. I told you we use S or ES in present tense. So, we will write here present. Question number 2. They will play badminton on Sunday. This also I told you will and shall be used in future tense. So, we will write here future. I played golf yesterday. Yesterday we use for the day which is already over. Means in past tense only we use yesterday. गुजरे हुए कल के लिए हम yesterday use करते हैं. वो कल जो already हो चुका. So here we have used the second form of verb. Play, played. So this is in past. So we will write here past. Number 4. We stayed for a short time at the lodge in the forest. Number 5. The teacher talks to the principal. The teacher talks to the principal. Number 6. She took her daughter to the doctor. Here we have to tell the tense of the underlined verb. So, stayed is underlined, talks is underlined and took is underlined. So, which tense this is we have to recognize and write. We stayed. ED is coming. Most of the second form verbs we make by adding ED. So, this is in past tense. Number 5. The teacher talks to the principal. S has been added in the verb and we use S and ES in present tense. So, we will write here present. Number 6. She took her daughter to the doctor. Took is the second form of take. Take, took, taken. So, again this is in past tense. So, we will write past. Now, we will write some more. Number 7. I will remember this. I will remember this. Here, will remember has been underlined. Number 8. She stays with her grandparents. She stays with her grandparents. Here, stays has been underlined. So, will remember. Again, will has come. Where do we use will stress? In future tense. Will and shall and first form of verb we use in future tense. So, we will write here future stays. Again, S has come in the verb. We use this in present tense. So, I will write here present. So, this was our chapter 21. This is time for homework. Do exercise B in your English first book. You have to complete this exercise in your English grammar book. This is it for today. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you and bye-bye and have